How's that bouncy seat, buddy? How's that vibrating chair? Is it good? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do in there? Just sit there? Yeah, it's got your attention? Feels good? It's like a massage? I like how you're holding on. You don't want to go anywhere. You look a little concerned. Everything okay? Maddie in his bouncy seat. He was happy a second ago. As soon as I put this video camera on, though, his mood shifts. You got a smile in there? You got a smile in there for everybody? No? No smile? No smile? Anything? A little bit? Okay. Get me out of here.